guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the interior detailing, especially the leather. So I have a few things for you to show you. Number one, did you know that the steering wheel has more germs than a public toilet? And CBS News did a study about that right here, and you can see it. More germs in the steering wheel than any public toilet. Do a search and you can read about that. So today we're going to see how dirty is this car. We have some throwaway wipes. We're going to simply go around the steering wheel to see what they're saying is true. Leave it there. And there you have it. Look at that. Plenty of germs there. Gonna toss that one away. Let's try here on the seat, on the leather seat. Let it there, throw that one away. Let's take another one. Let's do the shifter. Oh, look at the shifter right here. Plenty dirty. So today we're going to be doing the interior detail, especially the leather. For that we're going to be using the Ultima Interior Shampoo Gel. This is a phenomenal product for the carpets and for all the interior surfaces, and I'm going to show you how we go about that. Then we're going to follow up with our Turbo Wax L.V.R. leather vinyl. Okay, so we're ready to do the interior with the interior shampoo gel from Ultima right here. So reading as the instructions, you can spray this into the surface, or you can spray it into the microfiber cloth and then go around the area that you want to work on. The way that I do it is I have a small bucket with warm water right here, and I like to dip my microfiber towel inside there, squeeze it real good, then I come with the Ultima, put a small mist, then I'm gonna rub in the area that I'm gonna be working. After I have done that, I will turn the microfiber the other way and I will rub again until the area is clean. And I will do this for sections. I will do with the seats, the dash, door panels. For the carpets, I will spray directly into the carpet, different areas. I will come behind with either a hand brush or a brush attached to a cordless drill, and I will clean the area. Then I will go behind it with a dry microfiber towel, and I will just clean it up to make sure that it's not damp or wet from the previous application. I will leave the carpets out for a while, then eventually I will put the carpets in. So I will continue to do the entire interior right now, and then after we're done with this, we will come behind with the Turbo Wax L.V.R. See that the surface is completely dry, and that's a sample of all the dirt from the seats. Yeah. I follow up with the Turbo Wax L.V.R., which is good for leather, vinyl, and rubber for the interior. A few things about this product: it will not give you a bad smell. It smells like leather. It's not sticky like some of the other products. Protection to the surfaces. What you have to do with this product, you have to apply into a small foam pad or microfiber pad, and you're simply gonna glide back and forth to the desired area. You don't need to remove this product. You simply apply to it, and you will see that the surface will absorb the product. If you have high spots, it means that you need to level that section again, like I'm doing right here. And after the section is dry, if you feel that it needs a second coat, you can apply a second coat. Chances are that you will need a second coat, and in this vehicle we will need a second coat, because the surface is going to absorb all this liquid that we put in on top. So as you can see right here, this is the first coat, and it's already leveled, and now we're going to let it dry. Now we're going to move on to the seat here, which we did earlier. It's already clean, so we're just going to put a small dot of the product, and then we're just going to work the area that we wanted to protect. And again, we're going to let it dry, air dry, and in about 5-10 minutes we're going to come back and put a second application. Okay, so we have completed a second pass. Get me close here. Look at the difference here, day and night. This side is completely dry. This one has the Turbo Wax L.V.R. and you can see it's not sticky. It gives it a nice natural look. There's no high spots. The whole area is completely covered. You can see the line here. You can follow the line. So here's a neat trick one good like thing about this product, I get a little painter's foam brush. Those areas that I'm not able to reach out with the applicator, I simply go over with this. So, and for the plastic trim, the same thing. Little bit of product on the applicator and just simply rub it in, and that's it. So the beauty of this product is that you can cover all three surfaces: the rubber, the leather, and the plastic. And one tip is to lubricate the seals. So the seals, rubber seals on the doors, nobody ever does them. They become brittle and they get damaged. Right here, the same thing. You keep them lubricated, it won't harm anything, and it will extend the life of them. Just another tip from us. Okay, so we have completed the interior detail using the Ultima Shampoo Gel. We did the dashboard, door panels, seats, carpet, the entire interior, and then we went behind with the Turbo Wax L.V.R. Along the way, we give you a few tips of how to do this, and don't forget to clean those steering wheels. So if you like this video and you like the series of videos that we're doing, subscribe to our channel. The product description will be down below, including the vacuum cleaner that we use. And any comments or questions, please let us know how we're doing. We're new to this and we love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you for watching.